your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. If you wanna pull it, got the armor, fists and bullets representing to the fullest. If you wanna battle, we could do it. They palm bombing Notre Dame. Release this poison gas to your head to make you shit and vomit. Abomination, radiation, face mutation, no time to fake it. I'm in the deepest situations. I infiltrate your squad by deep. Attack your citadel, ground the air missiles. Nothing left but strands of hair, bone bristles. Astonishing disaster. Having fatal thoughts to take a slaughter. Enemy scout is blood slaughter. Electromagnetic compass help me find a transmitter. I can't go back up with this distress signal emitter. I'm like Gilligan and Skipper. I'm hand to hand in combat, getting buck wild. Leave platoons in power, your mouth shots like gal. A style is none like it in the area. Lift her off the ground like jet harriers. Scarier than 36. Niggas that's blasphemous, ask for this. Hit Mitch with both sticks, pitchforks, axes. Yo, don't left with cracks in it. Don't panic. I leave the battlefield with no scratches. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Your words are irrelevant. It's hard enough to pierce a Wolverine skeleton. Screams in the night got you hesitant as I use the stars in the sky for direction. Smith and Wesson for protection. Moving through the sand like a military agent. Penetrate your citadel, crawling through the air vents. Using mental power, stimulate my speed quicker. Beat the mercenaries down, then disarm your best ninjas. Now I'm lurking like a spider through the hallways. Psychic power stimulating my katana blades. Keep the guard standing on the post with the gauge. Agility will leave him where he stood, now we late. Assassin, attacking all you blind ass bastards. My light speed breaking niggas. I use triggers for backup procedures. As I'm Steven Seagal beating you, then leave a message for your leader. I'm more than a specialist. Fuck 007, bitch, I'm the wickedest. Secret Service can't fuck with this. Bombing helicopters and jets. Up the ransom money for the president. Your snipers catching bullets from a sniper. Apprehend the building, start a cipher. Prepare to onset fires. A terrorist organization straight from hell. The code, my suicide bombers lit a tail. Taking over shit with landmines and smart bombs. Calling the explosion, now I'm called the severed arm. Destroy Lincoln Monument with a wrecking ball. I watch the government as it fall, because my plan devious evolve. Watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Chosen to be next, I'm the best, my arrest. No, they capture my twin brother, clone from my mother. No trace of me exists cause to die is my residence. Inside this incident, I'll be marked an assassin. For freedom of my speech, I get precedent be marked. After dark, active schedules of presidential cars. The grappling hook is me a higher look. Are you shook? If you knew it, this your motherfucking life I could've took. Cause death is the assassin in the rifle that I hold. Guns the body cold, then the sequel snatch the fucking soul. I laugh, moving fast, switching my identity like it's a mask in the lab. Manufacture skin and grabs. Knowledge that I hold of these nostrils I load in my laptop computer, so the world I control. I study with the best, now it's them who have vanquished. Cause none of this be known, even memories have fainted. Many satellites in the pocket of my cloak, snatching signals from the images of Hubble telescopes. Who would pay to have my throat? All the riches in the world. That's the reason I should let this atomic bomb hurl. My thoughts shall be recalled, captured like a photograph. I'm the one who bombed the president while he was in the lab. The next assassin reaper and the G stands for grim. To unmask my location, I would say it's more than slim. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield is real. Niggas watch your back, Chi-Town, niggas ill. Niggas getting killed cause the battlefield